hot. You may be hot too. One of the problems with Texas is we don't get enough snow, do we? So sometimes you just have to make your own snow. So I've got this napkin here that I folded up. But let me go and make some tears from it. Let's see. I'll take that one out. That one out. Whoops. A little bit of snow already, huh? That.
It's
All right,
paper.
ready? Snow, yay! Okay, let's see what happened here though. I tore it. Let's see if something.
You tore it paper?
Ooh.
Oh, a triangle!
Oh, more snow. I forgot
No.
some of
Woo, more snow! A Christmas tree!
this. It's kind of like that. And then, oh, look at that, guys. You like that?
No!
Wow,
Oh,
pretty.
Hold on, back up. I'll tell you what. This is nice, but it's not cool and it's not wet enough, right? Because we need water to snow. So check this out. I've got a cup of water here.
Let's put the ruin
And our H2O about summer, right? So we're going to put it in here.
Let's put the ruin
Now, my friend here said, I put something in my pocket. It's this magic stick.
Let's
So-
put the ruin down.
Oh, no. It's going to make
It's gonna make
better.
some snow.
So let's
Maybe?
put it in there.
We'll see. He wants to make some snow.
Wow. Yucky.
Yeah. So
Yucky.
it is kind of wet. Whoops. Sorry. Sorry.
This is your perfect phone.
All right. So,
He
okay.
does the magic.
Okay. Nothing in this hand. The paper in this hand. Ready for the magic? Here we go. Let's get the wind going.
Just threw water at me. An accident.
Oh.
No.